Ilaria, Group Product Manager for Chicco. I'm here with a Polly 2-in-1 high chair that grows with children from 6 to 36 months because it turns into a booster seat to sit at the table with adults. The seat is wide and comfortable, and the backrest can be reclined to 3 different positions, providing the utmost comfort for children of all ages. When set up as a high chair, Polly is double padded to ensure the greatest amount of comfort for even the youngest children. The tray has a lot of space and is easy to attach at both the top and the front. The tray is actually double. The upper part can be easily removed to provide greater comfort and added convenience for mum when feeding the baby, and also to make it easier to wash. Polly grows along with children, and when children begin to eat at the table with adults, the tray can be simply removed and placed on the back of the chair. Remove the double padding. The safety harness is also part of the booster seat configuration. Just lower the seat, which can be adjusted to 7 different positions with the side buttons. Move the footrest, which can be adjusted to 3 different positions depending on the size of the child, and even the leg rest can be adjusted to ensure the utmost comfort for the child. Polly can now be placed up next to the table, thanks to its 2 convenient rear wheels. Now your child can sit at the table with the adults. Polly is also easy to fold and close. Just lift the arms. Press the buttons on the side and it folds down extremely compact. It can be stored almost anywhere. Until it's time to eat, of course.